What's up YouTube? Josh here with JCS Customs, and today we have the video that I have been waiting on to do. Part of it anyways. So, we just got in our i5 Auto House ZL1 1LE bumper. And man, it looks fantastic. I opened the box just to take a peek because the whole bottom of the box was molded and basically falling apart. I was on the verge of tears when I seen the box because I just knew something was wrong. But nothing right now I've seen is wrong. Here's the picture of the box. So we're going to go take a look at this thing. I think we're going to look at everything that comes in it for one video, and then the next video will be the install, so it's not too long. Once again, looks fantastic, and everything is just great looking quality. So let's go take a look at this. So here's the box, rather huge box, and everything in it minus the upper grill pulled out here. But let me show you something really cool and kind of crazy for my instance, but here's the box that has the new DRLs in them. Underneath all that, they gave me a free i5 Auto House gas cap. Well, I didn't mean to throw it, but what's crazy about that is I just did my own gas cap like a month ago, and now I got another one for free. Them things are like $150. So, hey, that's, and it looks awesome. Let's see. That just looks awesome. I don't know if you can see actually in, let's get it out real quick. It's just minus the dust on it, but that made me even more happier. So here we have our upper grill, and this is the only bumper, once again, that will fit the 19 and 20 RS and SS headlights. You can see that upper piece here. It's got some tape on it that just goes up and sticks. Pretty nice. You got the lower grill here. You can see the box is all wet. But got the upper, yeah, that way, upper grill here. That's gonna look just sick from the side. I really want to get this painted gloss black. I don't know how much that's gonna cost me to do that. Here is the holders for the new DRLs that go on the side. And let's actually get one of these DRLs out so you can see. Here's one of them. And this will actually go underneath the headlights on the sides, vertical like this on both sides. So that's going to look just great. Splitter here, and here is our splitter. It's massive. I didn't think it'd be this big. It's going to look great. And the main part is all wrapped up real nice is the bumper. I'm going to save that for the end. Well, I don't want to mess nothing up here. Let's see. I'm going to save that to the end because I don't want to unwrap it and then it get damaged. That's a lot of bubble wrap on that. And you get instructions for the DRLs and instructions for the canards. Oh yeah, the canards are these here wrapped up. Everything is wrapped up. Just fantastic. Yeah, I mean, it has to be. This came from California and I live in Alabama, and it took exactly a month to get it. But I had them paint my bumper, so that added on to the time a little bit. So, all right, just notice that it's kind of hard to see everything wrapped. So I unwrapped one of everything and put it in here. And man, I'm telling you, I'm 26 years old, but this is like Christmas morning, man. I'm so ready to get this thing on the car, and the paint job, man, that is just perfect paint job. I don't think anywhere around here could have done that good. I left this on here so these wouldn't rub and it wouldn't sit on the ground all the way. But man, that thing, I'm out of breath trying to open it, but that thing, it's gonna look badass. All right, so a little rundown of everything. Here's the LED, the DRLs I was talking about. You can see those are actually gonna fit in a piece over there, right here on the ends. It'll look awesome. These are the canards. So canards are like little wings that go up. I don't know which side this goes on right now. I'm out of breath. But they go up on the side like this. And there's my splitter. I was wanting to get all this painted gloss black, but I'm so ready to get it on the car, I don't know now. And there's the ends that go on the splitter, like that. Here's the pieces that hold the DRLs. Looks good. There's the bottom grill, and here's the upper grill. Now this is where my engineer, and I don't know what that was, but it scared me. This is where my engineering is going to come in handy and find a way to put my bow tie back on here. So use that degree. Man, this has been eating me up all day. I've been wanting to open this, but finally I can open it. I'm off work, so man, it just looks fantastic. Don't mind, this is all my mod stuff. It's my plans in a notebook there, and I got some sandpaper, my old rims and Borla box I still got and all that junk. But man, this thing, man, that just looks badass. All right, YouTube, once again, that bumper was from I5 Auto House. Stupid good quality. I mean, I don't even know what else to say. It's just awesome looking bumper. This was part 1. Part 2 is going to be the install. So until next time, well, next time is going to be very soon. Stay safe during the pandemic. Peace out.